What is GDP? Monkeys live in banana land. Some monkeys grow bananas. Some monkeys deliver bananas. Some monkeys turn bananas into banana bread. And one monkey just throws banana parties every weekend. All of this banana activity, that's GDP. GDP is the total value of everything produced in banana land in 1 year. Farming, counted. Delivering, counted. Banana bread baking, counted. Even banana party planning? Yup, counted. If monkeys pay for it, and it happens in banana land, it counts. But not every banana counts. If monkey grows banana and eats it himself, no sale, no GDP. If monkey sells banana to another monkey, boom, GDP goes up. Only final banana sales are counted. So if one monkey sells banana to another who makes banana pie and sells it, only the final pie counts. There are 3 ways monkeys measure GDP. Production, add up everything made. Bananas, banana bread, banana hats. Income, add up all monkey income. Wages, profits, banana bucks. Spending, add up all monkey spending on stuff like banana phones and banana massages. Why does GDP matter? Because it tells monkey land how things are going. If GDP goes up, monkeys making more, selling more, buying more. Banana economy strong. If GDP goes down, monkeys working less. Banana stands closing. Sad monkeys. What doesn't GDP count? Monkey happiness. Banana tree shade. Chores done by monkeys for free. If monkey fixes friend's roof as a favor, no GDP. If monkey gets paid to do it, GDP. So yes, GDP has banana blind spots. There's also nominal GDP, today's banana prices. Real GDP, adjusted for banana inflation. If banana prices rise, but monkeys don't actually make more bananas. Real GDP shows that, because more expensive banana is not equal to more banana. Then there's GDP per monkey. Take total GDP, divide by number of monkeys. That shows how much economic banana activity each monkey creates on average. It helps compare monkey land with places like coconut country, but GDP isn't perfect. If monkeys cut down all banana trees to build banana malls, GDP might rise, but monkey forest gone. If monkey gets sick and buys banana pills, GDP goes up. But is that a good thing? So next time someone says GDP is up, ask, who's making the bananas? Who's eating them? And are monkeys truly better off? GDP is a useful number, but it doesn't tell the whole banana bunch.